Hi, my name is Irina, and I'm here to show you how you can use Infraspeak to simplify the process of requesting and managing quotes. Infraspeak's Purchases app has a feature that allows you to centralize your entire quote management process. I'm talking about quote requests. Requesting and comparing quotes usually precedes the purchase of almost every material and/or service. With quote requests, you can close the gap between the moment you receive a quote and the purchase, making it a lot more reliable. Let's see how. There are two ways of creating a quote request: through the Purchases app, where you can request, organize, and compare the quotes you receive, or directly from a specific work order at the exact moment you need it. In order to close a work order, you may need to buy materials or outsource services, which is why it's so convenient to be able to request a quote straight from the work orders app. Our intelligent platform synchronizes relevant information and allows you to attach reports or files. All you have to do is list the materials or services you require. As soon as it's done, the quote request can be sent to selected suppliers via email without ever leaving Infraspeak. When you start receiving the quotes you asked from your suppliers, you can add each new received quote to the platform. You just need to head on over to the quote section of the respective request, click on Add Received Quote, specify which supplier sent the quote, insert information regarding the price, and save all details on Infraspeak. And what if the supplier has a travel fee for the requested service? It's easy. You just click on Add New Material, select Add Other, insert the amount, and keep everything centralized. You can even attach the PDF sent by the supplier for easy access to that quote. Once all requests are in the system, it becomes extremely easy to compare quotes and select the offer that best suits your needs and budget. Click Accept on the chosen quote, and all others will be automatically declined. As a final step, and again with just one click, you can convert the quote you requested into a purchase. The purchase will be automatically created with all the quote data, and both are connected to the work order in order to keep track of the entire process. Quote request saves you both time and trouble as purchasing becomes faster, smarter, and easier. To join the world of intelligent maintenance, ask for a personalized demonstration with one of our specialists. Don't waste more time. Intelligent maintenance starts here, only with Infraspeak.